on Commodore Productions.
Captain James' personal log. I think Starfleet must be in the bind, because I didn't expect it to camp. Captain James' personal log. I did not expect it to captaincy so quickly, but I think Starfleet's in a bind. They've been commissioning new ships on an unprecedented level, even constructing them with speeds never seen before. They're even thinking about recommissioning some old ships. I don't know what's going on, but they're in desperate need of captains. I just hope that I fit the bill, and hope I can do what needs to be done. If not, I can't even think about letting down the shipboard crew, especially with this new promotion and responsibilities. I'm expecting a call from an admiral. We'll see how it goes. James out.
Hello, have you ever wanted to be in a Star Trek fan film? Well, get a hold of Jim. His information is in the description in this video. We're looking for all kinds of officers, positions, all over the place. Give Jim a shout if you'd like to try out to be on Commodore Productions. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.